Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Currently I'm on a trip around the world with my ride or die, my twin sister Cara and little baby Noah, whose main contribution to the vlog are cute sounds like this one. I've already done a 30-day road trip in the States from San Francisco to Texas, then we camped in Kauai, Hawaii for 2 weeks, which was a mind-blowing experience, and we did a week in Australia between Sydney and the Outback. All of these vlogs are already online if you want to watch them. In this series, I'm taking you along on my travels in Indonesia. We've already spent a week traveling Bali and now we're off to Gili Air, a gem of an island off Lombok. Think turquoise waters with vibrant sunsets, drinks on the white sand beach and pure island bliss. In this vlog, I'm taking you along on our private boat tour to go snorkeling around the Gili Islands. I'll tell you exactly where to go and how to do it. This is a must-do activity if you come to the Gili Islands and you're about to see why. Stay tuned! Oh.
No, it is for you.
Noah, what are you doing?
Alright, let's see where he is.
Alrighty, we took a nap and now we're gonna go on the boat. Alright, so basically the tour is of different diving spots around the different Gili Islands. So there's a few diving spots around Gili Meno and then one here in Gili Air where you can see turtles, certain schools of fishes. So that's the one we're going on now. It costs 750,000 EDR for a private boat, and it's 4 hours, so including sunset, which will be nice. And can't wait to go snorkeling here. It's the first time I've actually gone in deeper than my knees in this water, so it'll be nice. Alright, so we actually did this tour twice because we loved it so much, so this video is a combination of footage from both trips. We booked the tour by visiting some tour companies near the harbor on Gili Air, but you can also book it through your hotel on the island or via TripAdvisor. If you're booking online, you'll find that shared tours are available for 250k per person. However, if there's already 2 or 3 of you, it's the same price to hire a private boat, so definitely something to consider. The tour guides, who were these super friendly local guys, picked us up directly from our hotel, and on the schedule for today are Gili Air, Gili Meno and Gili Trawangan. Our first stop is Turtle Point, close to Gili Air, and as the name suggests, it's all about spotting lots of turtles.
I don't know how I'm going to get in the water with this child attached. Little tick.
Gili Air!
Otherwise known as home.
Home for 5 days. And the boat is going to take us to different diving spots. Around Gili Air, Gili Meno, and on the other side of Gili Meno, I guess.
And Gili T, because the sunken statues are in front of Gili T.
And Gili T, and we'll do sunset there, I guess. And let's go dive for some turtles and clownfish and stuff like that. Maybe see starfish if we're lucky.
Exciting. Turtle as well.
Huh?
Turtles.
Turtles, exactly. So we got over here, over there we got our 2 guides. The guys now up here, Jerry and Arvin. Jerry and
Lauren.
Young guys. And it's a beautiful day. It's the first time we're going snorkeling, right?
In our whole trip.
In our whole trip.
Nah. Not really, in Hawaii we did it.
Well, we did, but we haven't snorkeled in Indonesia.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't get that.
We're about to go in. If you've watched my first 2 vlogs on Gili Air, you already know that there's so much to do on this tiny island. Biking around the island, horseback riding, taking a ride in horse buggies, shopping or just relaxing by the shore. But if snorkeling or diving is more your thing, just have a look at what hides beneath the surface. Turtle Point is one of the most popular snorkeling spots on Gili Air. It's located on the east side of the island and is known for its crystal clear water, vibrant coral reefs and rich marine life. The best time to visit here is between 8 AM and 10 AM. When the tide is low, the water is calm and the crowds are smaller. You don't need to worry about bringing snorkeling gear, it's included in the price of the boat rental, and this spot is also perfect for kids since the water here is really calm and you're almost guaranteed to see plenty of turtles.
Yeah, the turtles are here?
Yeah.
This is Gili Meno.
Go, Gar. Okay, hurry.
So we definitely have a turtle obsession, and spotting 4 around Gili Air just wasn't good enough. So here we're snorkeling right outside Gili Meno, and this spot was an absolute dream. The deeper waters made everything feel a bit more magical, like we'd stumbled upon some hidden underwater paradise. There were massive patches of vibrant coral stretching as far as we could see, and the schools of fishes were huge. Everywhere you looked there was movement and color, which was amazing. This spot also really delivered. Aside from the amazing coral, we also saw some clownfish and some more turtles. And let's not forget the moment that really made this stop memorable. We realized Kara's nipple had been making an unplanned appearance for God knows how long. Our young guide certainly seemed amused, and let's say we couldn't stop laughing either.
So basically, I'm swimming with the turtle, and he's filming for us. He's filming both of us in the water, and all of a sudden I look back to Gar, like, you know, we could high five each other in the water or something, and I look back to both.
But what's more annoying is that every time that I looked at one of you guys would be pointing at me. And I was like, what is there? You know, like, is there a turtle on me? Like, just... Oh my god. The only video you've got to be the one where my nips are out.
I don't know how long your nipples were out, so wait. We saw so many turtles! It was awesome! Good job, good job.
Turtle boy.
Turtle boys. Alright, this is where the sunken statue is. Is it the circle statue with all the people in a circle? Okay, cool. Alright, let's go dive right in, shall we?
I was just thinking about how you always say, so basically.
So basically, we have arrived.
Okay, guys.
Yep. We're about to go in car to check out a shipwreck.
Yeah.
Take this off for 2 seconds to watch a shipwreck. I repeat, a shipwreck.
Okay, now you got like a line under.
I will put it back on.
Maybe I need more soap.
So there actually wasn't a shipwreck here. I don't know why I said that. I mean, unless you count me and Kara trying our best to stay afloat. Anyways, so first impression of this spot, let me tell you, it is crowded, like really crowded. You're practically guaranteed to bump into other people while snorkeling. This is the spot with the sunken statue, so naturally all the tourists flock here. My tip to you, come here early. Also, check out this moment I got attacked by this tiny little fish.
Surviving. I'm struggling staying afloat, I think.
Going in, Pat?
Yep, see what I was saying about the crowds, and everybody is of course looking down, not so much up. So this is Gili Meno's most iconic underwater attraction. This incredible underwater sculpture called Nest was designed by artist Jason Taylor and features 48 life-sized human figures arranged in a circle. It's not just a beautiful work of art, it also serves as a thriving artificial reef, drawing in all kinds of marine life. And they actually put this statue here so that people would visit this place instead of the actual reefs in order to try and preserve it more. The statues are submerged just a few meters below the surface, making them accessible for snorkelers and divers of all skill levels. So we visited on 2 different days, and the first it was super clear water, but the next day it was not. So a little tip from me to you, visit early in the morning to avoid the crowds and catch the clearest water views. What really makes this place magical is how the art and nature have fused over time. Coral is slowly setting in, covering the statues, giving them this ethereal, almost otherworldly vibe. And it's really like swimming through a living art gallery, so I highly recommend this spot. We are really ticking off some boxes today. Now we're off to Gili Trawangan to snorkel in some deeper water and feed some fish. The guides recommended some spots to go, but you can of course decide yourself where you'd like to go. However, we fully trusted them and they didn't disappoint. They took us to some more deserted spots so we weren't overrun with crowds of people.
Here we go. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
I was a little bit worried about our snorkeling adventure in Trawangan just because it's the most popular of the Gili Islands and I feared there would be hordes of people, but our guides really came through for us. Snorkeling around Gili Trawangan turned out to be one of my favorite experiences. We spent the longest time here and for good reason. The prime snorkeling spot is along the northeastern coastline near the beaches overlooking the other Gili Islands. For the best visibility, plan your visit during high tide in the morning when the water is calm and clear. Our guides took us to a spot with no crowds, just clear water, vast coral reefs, plenty of fish, turtles, and even a starfish. The mix of shallow and deep water kept the experience exciting. It felt like a secret slice of paradise, and swimming alongside the turtles in crystal clear water was an unforgettable highlight. The coral reefs were really massive and teeming with life, and spotting a starfish among it all felt like finding a hidden treasure. So if you're searching for a more personal, magical snorkeling experience, this is the place to be. So, we've been lost at sea for hours. I haven't seen anybody.
Wait, the beach is
right behind us. Hold on. So, we've been floating for hours. Car's not responsive. I've been trying to keep her up all this time. There's nobody. It's like open waters. Our names, if anybody finds this GoPro, our name is Keep Up With Car. Like, subscribe below.
Mommy, we love you, but that's secondary.
Mom, we love you first and foremost.
It died. No, it didn't. Love you, Mommy. Love you, Mom. Caroline just wants the cloud, but I love you.
For those of you who didn't get that, this is our dolphin call and it actually works. Next up, we're off to Gili Meno again, but this time we're going ashore to check out the place where they hatch turtles, called the Gili Meno Turtle Sanctuary. It's a small community-run conservation project located along the beach, focusing on protecting sea turtles and helping hatchlings safely make their way into the ocean. The sanctuary is small yet impactful, particularly designed to protect the endangered green and hawksbill turtles. With only 1 in 1,000 hatchlings surviving in the wild, it's really important that these places exist. Hey little buddies! Over here is the nests. No way. But they're underneath, yeah? 1 meter? Whoa. Gili Meno is the quietest of the Gili Islands, as you can probably tell from this footage. There are no cars or motorbikes here, and it's so small you can walk around the entire island in just over an hour if you're thinking about going for an exploring walk. The beaches here are truly stunning, with soft sand and warm crystal clear water that's perfect for swimming or just lounging. We took our drone up for a spin and the views were unreal. Super clear turquoise water stretching out forever and coral reefs visible from the sky. The vibe here is super laid back, and it's all about enjoying a good swim, a walk along the beach, or just watching the sunsets. And speaking of sunsets, the ones here are something else. As the day ends, the sky lights up in shades of orange and pink, reflecting off the calm water, which is just pure magic. So my recommendation to you, do a stop on Gili Meno during your boat tour, and don't forget to catch the sunset on the water and take advantage of the moment and snap that perfect holiday picture too. Alright, Car, that was a successful day snorkeling. We saw the fish, we saw the turtle, statues. It was really cool. I loved it.
Now we're gonna see the sunset going back.
Exactly, there it is behind us. So pretty.
So nice. Yeah, it's so nice. A lot of fishes. You didn't see this one, but I saw one really thin, long yellow one. Like this long.
I think that's the one that came after me. One really came after me, Car. He wanted to eat me.
Was it like that?
It just kept coming for me, man. I kept yanking my GoPro at it.
And that's where our engine died. And they were never found again.
Shut up, no.
Alright, turtle boy, you swim to shore and get us gasoline.
And that's how they spent the night on a boat in
Caroline, they drifted to, let me see, where can you drift? They were found in American Samoa.
Yeah. Survived on wild fish because turtle boy. Is there a person there diving, or is that just a little bottle?
Often that is related.
Okay.
What? The suit. We got it going!
It's alive!
Yes!
It's alive! I just want to give a special thanks to our lovely guides for making this an unforgettable experience, and for the viewers out there, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Up next, the Nusa Islands. Ciao!